giving your kitchen a timeless focal point. Upgrading your cleanup capacity for oversized pots and pans, and ditching stained or dented basins without compromising on durability usually means transitioning to a classic, heavy-duty Fireclay farmhouse sink. The 33x20-inch white Fireclay Apron front farmhouse sink, large single bowl edition, redefines kitchen utility and classic aesthetics by combining kiln-fired porcelain durability, a sprawling single basin workspace, and an elegant apron front design. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its ultra-high temperature extreme kiln-fired Fireclay construction, paired with a dense, fusion-glazed enamel finish. Instead of struggling with stainless steel sinks that scratch easily or cheap composite sinks that dull over time, this system creates a rock-solid, non-porous structure that is completely resistant to thermal shock, heavy impacts, stains, and scratching. Performance and everyday versatility streamline heavy-duty kitchen prep, meal cleanup, and dishwashing for busy households and home chefs. Featuring a generous 33-inch length and deep single-bowl layout, the sink easily accommodates oversized baking sheets, stockpots, and roasting pans without splashing water onto your countertops. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by naturally glossy, stain-resistant surfaces that wipe clean effortlessly with mild soap and water, a gently sloped bottom design for rapid and complete water drainage, and a classic apron front installation that anchors seamlessly into standard farmhouse cabinetry. Things to consider before you buy. Because Fireclay sinks are made from dense ceramic and fired at extreme temperatures, they carry a substantial physical weight, meaning your undersink cabinet base must be properly reinforced to safely support the load. Additionally, because each Fireclay sink is handcrafted and kiln-fired, slight dimensional variances can occur, so your countertop fabricator should have the physical sink on hand before cutting your template. So who is this really for? This classic white apron front sink is an absolute home run for homeowners undertaking a kitchen remodel, lovers of traditional or transitional farmhouse decor, and home cooks who need a massive, indestructible basin for heavy dishwashing. If you prefer a lightweight drop-in stainless steel sink or have a standard narrow sink base cabinet smaller than 33 inches, a compact undermount or top-mount model will better fit your existing kitchen layout. Is it worth the money? If you value an expansive 33x20-inch single basin, indestructible Fireclay construction, a brilliant stain and scratch-resistant white enamel glaze, and timeless apron front styling, it is a premier, heirloom quality investment for your kitchen.